Hey everybody, we have a ship's time boat wheel clock here today. It does work, as you can see. It's in pretty good shape. It does, the metal around here does have some discoloration and marks in it, as you can see. It's in pretty great shape. It does have the mount to hang on the wall right there, as you can see. I might flip it on its other side. The back of it does not have any markings on it. Quarts, ship type. Alright, there's going to be more details in the description and the listing. Please take a peek through the description. Have a great day, everybody. Let us know if you have any questions.